On your mark. Get set. Go. Dylan's off to a great start. Fawn has fallen. Dylan wins. Dylan had a super shot of caffeine. That allowed him to win. Poor Fawn. She's still down. Will she ever make it up? Oh no, she's being attacked. Fawn, quick. Recover. Recover, Fawn. Good job. Smooth recovery. Dylan is covered. Dylan is snow covered. Fawn, quick, defend yourself. Defend yourself. Good job, Fawn.
Look at my face, look what he did to me.
This was amazing.
We shouldn't stop looking.
There's our winner. He may have won, but he's covered in snow. Thanks to Fawn.
Got me in the face.
Fawn, how does it feel to have lost but won in the end? Very cool. That's awesome. And Dylan, what strategy did you use going into this?
My feet.
That's an awesome strategy.
Hey, Dylan.